डियर स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है कि वी हैव टू सॉल्व दी quadratic equations or to find the roots of a quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, if you have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a is non-zero real number, then the roots of this equation are given by a formula that is x equal to x is root of an equation of the equation is equal to minus b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a, where this d indicates the discriminant and is equal to b square minus 4ac. So the roots of the equation are given by this simple formula, that is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If d comes out to be equal to 0, that is if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are equal and are given by x equal to minus b by 2a only. So this is the quadratic formula for equal roots, and this is the quadratic formula for distinct roots. Now we had to solve the question number 1 of exercise number 4.4 by using this quadratic formula if the real roots exist. Now nature of the roots is determined by this discriminant of the equation, that is b square minus 4ac. If it is greater or equal to 0, then roots are distinct and real. If it is equal to 0, then roots are equal and real. But if it is less than 0, if d is less than 0, then discriminant, that is discriminant is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the equation has not real roots in that case. Now let us look on at the first part of the question number 1, that is 2x cube minus twice x plus 5 equal to 0. It is a given quadratic equation. Let us say here we have the coefficient of x, it is x square over here, twice x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Over here you will see that the coefficient of x square, that is leading coefficient, is a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. If compared with this general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, we can find the values of a, b and c by comparing this equation, given equation, with the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we know that discriminant is equal to minus b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, where b in here is minus 3, so we'll write over here minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5, that is we will get d equal to 3 square minus 9 minus 4 2s are 8 5s are 14, that is d is equal to minus 31, that is d is negative less than 0, that is d is less than 0. We know that when d is less than 0, then the roots of the equation are not real, therefore the given equation has not real roots. So in this case, this equation, our given equation, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 has equal to 0, has no real roots in this case. Now let's have a look on the another equation. Now we have another quadratic equation, that is thrice x square minus 4 into square root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Here when compared with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a equal to 3, that is leading coefficient of the equation, b equal to, that is coefficient of x, that is minus 4 into square root of 3, and the constant term, that is c equal to 4. Therefore we know that discriminant is equal to minus b square minus 4ac. Instead of b we have minus 4 times square root of 3. We will write minus 4 times square root of 3 whole square minus 4 into, instead of a we have 3 and instead of c we have 4, that is 3 into 4. Now we will simplify it by distributing the square over these two factors, that is it is square on the minus 4 square into square root of 3 square minus product of these three numbers comes out to be 48. Now it comes out to be 4 minus 4 square minus 16 positive, and square root 3 and square root and root will vanish. You are left with 3 only, and we minus 48. Then 16 3 are 48 minus 48 means 0, that is discriminant comes out to be 0, that is b square minus 4ac comes out to be equal to 0. When d is equal to 0, then we know that roots are equal and real, therefore, and are given by the quadratic formula. Now we will calculate the roots of the given equation which are real and equal by the quadratic formula. We know x equal to minus b by a. So x is equal to minus times b over here is minus 4 into square root 3. So we'll write minus 4 into square root 3 divided by 2 into a minus 2 into 3. Now this comes out to be 4 times square root 3 divided by 2 3s are 2 2s are 4, and we are left with x equal to 2 square root 3 divided by 3. Now over here we have a numerator as irrational, so it can be rationalized. Multiplying the numerator and denominator by square root 3, we get, let us rationalize the numerator. So we multiply the right hand side of the equation in the numerator and denominator by square root 3, we get 2 into 3 square root 3 into square root 3 minus 3 divided by 3 times square root 3. 3 and 3 will go, you are left with x equal to 2 by square root 3. So x equal to 2 by square root 3 are the roots of the given equation, that is roots of the equation are equal and are 2 by square root 3, 2 by square root 3. Now let's solve the equation number 3. Twice x square, I have written twice x cube okay, our equation is twice x square minus 6x, twice x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. We have a equal to 2 over here, b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 3. Therefore d equal to b square minus 4ac. We know instead of b we have minus 6 square minus 6 and minus 4 times a into c. 6 square comes out to 36 and minus 24. D equal to d will be 12, but 12 is a positive number, therefore d is positive. When d is positive, then the equation has real and distinct roots. Therefore the given equation has real and distinct roots and are given by the quadratic formula as follows. Now the roots of the equation are given by the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus minus square root of d divided by 2a. You know d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore x equal to minus times minus b plus minus times b, that is minus times minus 6 plus minus square root of d is over here 12. The square root of 12 divided by 2 into a is 2. So we will get x equal to 6 plus minus square root of 12 divided by 4. It will imply that x is equal to 6 plus minus 12 is equal to 2 times square root of 3. So we will write 12 equal to 2 times square root of 3, and we will bring 2 common in the numerator and get 2 into 3 plus minus square root of 3 divided by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So we are left with x equal to 3 plus minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So these are the roots of the equation, given equation, that is one of the root is 3 plus square root 3 divided by 2, and another is 3 minus square root 3 divided by 2. So these are the two roots of the equation which are distinct by this plus minus sign. In this way we can calculate the roots of a given equation by using the quadratic formula. So it is all about the quadratic formula usage of quadratic formula for finding the roots of a quadratic equation.